How to sell on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'll be showing you how you can sell on Coinbase. In order to sell cryptos or asset on Coinbase, first thing you'll have to log in into your Coinbase account. So make sure that your application is completely up to date. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and from here, in order to sell an asset or a cryptocurrency, click the sell button located right on top. Next page, you'll be asked to select an asset that you wish to sell. So before you sell an asset, make sure that you already have a wallet address, and after that, select the particular asset that you wish to transfer or that you wish to sell it on coinbase.com. After that, you'll have to enter in the wallet address. So you can either scan the wallet address or you can type in the link and click the continue button. Now enter in the exact amount how much you want to sell on Coinbase and click the preview button located right at the bottom. Now what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and make sure to confirm all of these and click the sell now button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you've successfully sold your cryptos or an asset on Coinbase. So in this way, you can sell an asset on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.